Last week, I received a mail from the U.S. Embassy that is stating that I can start my process. So there, and this is the instruction, and I have to download all the documents or form and instruction. So now it's all ready. Today I'm gonna mail this, but I just want to show you. So here are the list. So for the photocopies, I'll be needing photocopies of my passport, the previous and the old one. And then birth certificate, just a copy because I'm going to bring the original during my interview. And then marriage certificate, if any, but we don't have. Termination of any marriage or official grant, I don't have that. So that's not applicable to me. So I just check the things I need and put NA to the things I don't need. So for the original, I'll be needing the application form. I already downloaded and sign and write everything that I need. DS 230 Part 1, DS 156, DS 156 for K applicant only. Application form, DS 157, and then photograph, and they are very specific about that. It's really in the instruction. Application fee, I'm going to pay that in the post office now before I send this because I have same destination. And then just that. So I'm complete. I have all the downloaded original forms. There are about 6 forms, 6 different kinds, and then my police clearance in Thailand and in the Philippines. Xerox copy of my whole old passport and new passport, and then the degree of my fiancé, original picture, my what was that? Certification of no marriage, my birth certificate, and then this one I just received today, the affidavit of support from my fiancé. So yeah, this is the one that I'm waiting. That's why it takes me 2 weeks before I can finally send the documents to there. So yeah, I'm just gonna file that and then put that in the folder by the fee, and then yeah, just wait. Thank you. Bye.